Here's a weather outlook for Southeast Alaska from the National Weather Service in Juneau, Alaska. The weekly outlook for Southeast Alaska has another round of snowy weather possible on the far horizon. Now, for the most part of the 5-day outlook, it's looking like a rainy and cloudy week with above normal temperatures. But Friday into the weekend, the long-range weather models are hinting at a pattern change that has been known to give the panhandle heavy snow. At the higher levels of the atmosphere, this pattern looks to switch to a low-pressure trough to the north with a high-pressure ridge to the south. This would allow for cold Canadian air to slide south into the panhandle with moisture flowing into the panhandle from the Gulf. This is called overrunning, where moist marine air rises up and over an entrenched cold continental air mass and has been known to produce heavy snow that impacts aviation, marine, and road travel. An overrunning event strikes a delicate balance between relatively warm and moist onshore flow with offshore flow that can maintain the cold continental air mass. Too much onshore flow brings a quick switch to rain. Too much offshore flow brings too much dry air, which greatly reduces snow and rain amounts. The forecast challenges this week will be the subtle microclimates of the area that can cause drastic differences in the snow rates and final snow totals. And the switch over from snow to rain will be highly related to how strong the new Canadian air is, and how long will that cold air stay in place before those south winds drive the cold air out, and how strong will the upper level winds be. If they are strong enough, they can mix the atmosphere and bring that switch to rain much faster. As of now, there is great uncertainty over the details, but the overall trend raises some concern for us here on the forecast floor. So stay plugged into the forecast this week at weather.gov/Juneau for updates on this potential pattern change that could bring more snow.